Lucas, seriously?
I knew that I couldn't do it.
It's because I didn't think you could.
How in the world do I get down now?
Exactly.
Oh my god.
Please don't fall.
Oh, no promises. Oh,
You're
I'm so cold now.
No dip.
I'm amazingly awesome.
Better hope Keenan doesn't come.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Then why'd you go up there?
This is awesome. I'm up a tree.